How to use LOKLiK iPaint to create a paint by numbers painting on wood board. These are the materials you are gonna need: paints, brushes, a heat erasable pen, and a blank wood board. This tutorial covers the following steps. 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. 3. Parameter settings and painting area preview. 4. Outline drawing and coloring. Step 1. Power connection, painting materials placement and pen installation. Connect it to the power and USB cables. Press the power button to turn it on. Insert the pen into the silicone pen grip and put the pen into the pen holder. The silicone pen grip usually aligns to the scale mark B on the pen. For painting substrates thicker than 15 mm, align to the scale mark A. Note: ensure the top of the pen grip is still aligned with the scale mark B on the pen after insertion. Then align the painting surface with the marks on LOKLiK iPaint. Secure the material with tape. Step 2. Device connection, uploading/selecting an image. On the screen, click Device. Then Device connection, select LOKLiK iPaint. Click Next. Choose USB or Bluetooth. Search for the device. And click Connect. To use your own design or photo, click Upload in the left menu. Once your image is uploaded, go to Image Editing and choose either oil painting or AI transfer for creative effects. AI transfer provides 3 categories with a total of 6 artistic styles to transform your uploaded photo. Oil painting transfer offers 3 levels of complexity: easy, medium, and complex. For this tutorial, we will use an image from the library. Click Library. Select your preferred pattern and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Parameter settings and painting area preview. First, select a paint set according to your preference, either a 5-color set or a 48-color set. In this tutorial, we use a 48-color set. Now, generate the paint by numbers outline. Once generated, click the Show Outline icon in the upper right corner of the canvas. Click once to preview the outline, and click again to view the full painting. Next, select your painting substrate. Basic options include canvases, canvas panel, stretched canvas, and you can click the plus button on the right to add a custom painting surface and size. Here, we are adding the wood board and inputting its size information. Click Check Pen Tip Distance from Painting Substrate to make sure the pen tip properly touches the painting surface. Adjust the pattern size according to the size of painting surface. You can quickly adjust the pattern size by clicking the Auto Adjust Size icon in the upper left corner of the canvas, or use the Rotate icon to adjust the pattern orientation. Select Heat Erasable Pen. A heat erasable pen is recommended to make it easier to remove outlines after coloring. Step 4. Outline drawing and coloring. Now, click Preview to preview the painting area on the wood board. If the painting area exceeds the painting substrate edges after previewing, adjust the image in the software or move the device's position and re-previewing. Once all the steps are completed, click Add to Task. If you have selected the 5-color set, don't forget to open the color guide in the task list. Then click Print in the upper left corner to print the guide for easy reference. Click the Start button, and the LOKLiK iPaint will begin drawing the oil painting outline. Ensure that the connected device remains on during the drawing process to prevent it from turning off or entering sleep mode. Once the outline is complete, match the paint numbers from the image with the corresponding numbers on the paint set to start coloring. Outlines can be removed through heating. You can use blow dryer, heat press, etc. And just like that, a beautiful paint by numbers painting is completed.